Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about factorization, a quadratic expression. So, factorizing a quadratic expression. So, let's see how we are going to solve this question. 2x square plus 5x minus 3. So, to factorize, always we have to start with the standard form of a quadratic expression. So, standard form of a quadratic expression is ax square plus bx plus c. Compare them and write down the values of a, b, and c. So when you compare them, the value for a is 2, the value for b is 5, and the value for c is minus 3. Value for c is minus 3. Now always we have to find out the values for ac and b. AC and B. So starting with the standard form, comparing them, writing down the values of A, B, and C, the next step will always be to find out the value of AC and B. AC means A multiplied by C. So 2 multiplied by minus 3, that will give you minus 6, and B is 5. AC is minus 6, B is 5. After this, we have to take the value of AC. Ignore the sign. So here it is -6. Ignore the sign and take the factors of AC. Factors of AC means in which all multiplication table we will be getting 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And we don't have anything else. That's it. In 1 times table, we'll be getting 1 times 6. 2 times table, we'll be getting 2 times 3. So these are the only two pairs that we'll be getting. We can make modification in these pairs. We need to make modifications in such a way when I multiply that pair here, I should get -6, and when I add that pair, I should get 5. So two numbers, when I add them, I should get 5, and when I multiply them, I should get -6. So that is +6 and -1. So that is the modification that we have to do here. +6 and -1. 6 minus 1, when I add them, I'll get 5, and 6 multiplied by -1. When I multiply 6 with -1, I'll get -6. So that satisfies the condition. Now, going back to the original equation, that is 2x square plus 5x minus 3, we have to, instead of this middle term, this method is also called splitting the middle term. This method is also called splitting the middle term. This middle term, instead of positive 5x, we'll be writing with those two numbers, the modified pair that we will be writing instead of the middle term. Plus 5x, instead of 5x, I'll write 6x minus 1x. 6x minus 1x is basically 5x. So splitting the middle term, 2x square, instead of this middle term, I'll be writing plus 6x minus 1x. Plus 6x minus 1x. 6x minus 1x is the same as 5x minus 3. Now, we have four terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in mathematics, if we have 4 terms, there is only one method always. If we have 4 terms to factorize, make it into 2 groups by leaving the middle sign as it is. Make it into 2 groups by leaving the middle sign as it is. Now, take the common things outside. 2x square plus 6x. 2 and 6, both of them are coming in 2 times table. So 2 is common. 2 is common, so I'm taking 2 outside. X square and x. So x is common. In the first term, what else is remaining? 2x square, 2 is outside. 1x is outside, 1 more x is there, plus 2 times what gives you 6? 2 times 3 gives me 6. X is already outside, so minus 1x minus 3. Nothing is common. If nothing is common, we'll put it as 1 here. What else is remaining? 1 is outside, x is remaining. Now be very careful. We need to multiply the sign. A negative into negative. Negative into negative is positive 3. 1 times 3 gives me 3. When we reach this step, we will be able to understand whether our working is correct. Until now, if the brackets inside the values, if the brackets are same, if the values inside the bracket are the same, that means your answer is correct. X plus 3, x plus 3. The values inside the bracket is x plus 3 and x plus 3. That is the same. So that means my answer is correct. The last step here, you need to write the things inside the bracket once, that is x plus 3. And whatever the things outside the bracket, you need to write it once. Outside the bracket, I have 2x and minus 1. 2x minus 1. This will be a final answer. This is how we factorize a quadratic expression. Now, this is all for A part, or the first subdivision. So now for the second subdivision, simplify 2x square plus 5x minus 3. When we compare them, it is same as the first subdivision, 2x square plus 5x minus 3. I simplified that and I got that as x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. So my numerator is x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. What I need to do is just factorize my denominator. 2x square minus 18. So I'm just taking the denominator here, 2x square minus 18. We know factorizing means taking the common things outside. 2x square and 18. We know 2 and 18, both of them are coming in 2 times table. So I'll take 2 outside. We'll be having x square minus 2 times 9 gives me 18. So 2 into x square minus 9. 2 into 9 can be written as x square minus 3 square. 9 is 3 square. We have studied one formula here for in algebraic identity. X square minus y square. We know the formula is x plus y into x minus y. Now, what we have here is x square minus 3 square. Wherever we have y, I just have to replace it with 3. So my formula will become x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is just for x square minus 3 square. What we have is 2 into x square minus 3 square. So this will give me 2. X square minus 3 square is x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now, instead of this 2x square minus 18, numerator is x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 divided by 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. This x plus 3 and x plus 3 gets cancelled. Our final answer will be 2x minus 1 divided by 2 into x minus 3. If you want, you can further simplify it as 2x minus 1 over 2 has to be multiplied with x and 2 has to be multiplied with 3 in order to expand the bracket. 2x minus 6. That will be your final answer. So this was a 2 plus 3 5-mark question. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.